Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox being laggy. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox being laggy, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will enter to Roblox. When you'll find this page of app info, you will enter to full stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end, you can turn on your phone. When you will end this, you can update your application on your Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.